Okay, how did it come out? 40 minutes in the oven. It smells delicious. Okay? So there's carrots under here. Here, look. And cherries! It's sweet tart. It's savory and yummy. And I'm going to have one for breakfast, I think. I'm gonna have one for breakfast. So I just took out a carrot and a cherry. Let's try it, shall we? Try this. Let's try this. Mmm. Sweet and savory. Came out good. I like it. You know, if you didn't have cherries, you could do some peaches or whatever. Anyway, this came out great. I'm thrilled. Have a great day. Oh, I'm so excited. Gonna have one for breakfast, and then I'll have a wonderful dinner when I come home. It's delicious. Have a great day. Seriously. I'm gonna have corn when I come home. Later. Bye. Bye bye. Have a great day.